Hi, my name is Mo, and I'm from Colombia, and I've been a student of Forex Beginner Academy for a couple of months now, and I'm really glad I found this amazing community. Um, the instructor Sar Ali is incredibly patient, and the way he teaches is very simple and easy to understand. And he teaches everything from how to draw a trend line, Fibonacci retracement, candlestick patterns, risk management, and just about everything you're going to need in your Forex journey. And there's also a private student group where you can post your charts and ask any question you have. And the instructor, Sad Ali, he always takes the time to correct your mistakes and answer all your questions. And he does that for free. And the lessons are free, everything's free, and all you have to do is invest your time and put in the work. So, if you're looking for the best course to learn Forex, look no further. This is the right place to do it. Take action now, and welcome to the family.